What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for dropping by and thank you for watching. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode is I'm sharing you some tips and tricks and some decision making. How do I invest in reselling sneakers from the Nike factory store or from the Nike outlet store? And before we dive into that, I'll show you some videos that I took on the Nike factory store before I purchased them. So without further ado, let's go. So let's starting off with a good ones already. So we got the Airmax Plus, which comes with a red, blue, white colorway, and it's look like a shark style. And this one is $79.97 with the 30. Nice color, nice combination, nice Air Max Plus with that. Ooh, $79.97 with the additional 30% off. You can't go around on the price, and not bad for resale. So what do you think? Well, next one. Check this out. Nike Air Zoom Bomero 14. Ooh. Well, it's size 13 though, but $59.97 with the additional 30%. You can't go wrong on this one. For running shoes and another running shoes, we got the Air Zoom Pegasus. It is the shield one. And this is the only one I see that really good. Women's Airmax 97, $99.97 with additional 30%. This is the only one that I see very good deals on women's section, and not bad for the color, very attractive for women's, and the price $99.97 with additional 30, not bad at all. How about Jordan 270 for $79.97 with the additional 30%. Look at that toe box, the red, and some icy bottom. Wow, nice combination of this Jumpman 270. Well, do you cop them? And that price, not bad. Next one, we got the vapormax flyknit 3, and this one, check that price, $89.97 with the additional 30% off. This one is really good price because this one's retail is $190, and really good for new vapormax and it is the vapormax flyknit 3. What do you think? Next one, we got the Nike Airmax 720, and the price is $89.97 with the additional 30%. So what do you think? Can you please leave a thumbs up? Well, this one is really cool, and that air bubble, blue bubble with some kind of checkered on the upper. Next one, and we got the Air Max 270 React. This one is really good combination of the Reacts and 270, but the color is kind of iffy for me, so maybe not, because even though the price $79.97, I'll pass. But what do you think? Can you please comment below? So this is one of what we pick up today, and we got this one, the Nike Air Max Plus colorway, and this one is the white gym red. Nice color, this one, huh? The blue ones and red ones and the white ones, not too much, but it's kind of neutral for me. It is nice. And the price on this one is the retail is $160, as you can see right there, $160, and we bought them for $79.99, and it was on the clearance wall, so it has a 30% off. So $79.97 will be deducted 20% will be 62 or 63. That's the 63. So 63. If I'm gonna sell this one I got them for 63. They were selling somewhere 97 to 119. But if you can see right here, they got the 91 with free shipping, 97 with shipping right there. and the other one is 100 with shipping, and the other one is 119 with free shipping. I would say I'm gonna sell this one to 120 plus shipping. Why would I do that if I'm gonna wait out a little bit? I wanted to get more my money back, since if you could see 2 watchers and this one is 7 watchers. Let's just say they sold out on that one, then it's gonna be me and the next one being sold on this one, because they already sold out what they have, and we have 2 and 7 watchers. That's already 9 people who's trying to watch. I will buy them. Okay, and let's see if they're really selling out. So some of them's already sold out, as you can see right there. 97 with shipping, 90 shipping, and also they sold out in Puerto Rico. Okay, and 100 best offer accepted, 100 best offer accepted with shipping. So I would say I'll wait out a little bit to sell them. This is part of reselling game. You have to sell them now or sold them later for more profit. Okay, I wanted to sell them 129. 129, I got them for 63. I want them pay the shipping, so I want 29 including shipping. So after fees and everything, I'll make $49 of return of investment. That's my profit right there. So I'll wait out a little bit. That is more than 63 minus 40%. So that is more than 50% ROI. 63 minus 50%. Yeah, it is more than 50% ROI for the 63, and so I have to make at least 50% ROI is like 30 something. So I'm making 42. That is more than 50% ROI, which is good. So I'll just wait out a little bit to make me more than what my money worth it. So the next one, Nike Air vapormax flyknit 3. You can see, and the retail is $190 and got them for $89.97. So $89.97 minus 30% is 27. So 27 of the 30% off. So I bought them for 63. There you go, 63. $89.97 minus 30% off is 63. I like the color on this one. Boom.
Wow!
One of the latest, this one, right? Yeah, vapormax flyknit 3. This is one of the latest vapormaxes, and I believe they released a new vapormax, another different technology again. But vapormax flyknit 3 latest edition, the colorway is kinda black racer blue laser fuchsia. That's why. Okay, so I've been selling a lot more of the little bit color fuchsia anyway. So let's see, we type out the code here, and as you can see, there is a 46 result. It's being selling right now, and most of them are selling for 114, 129, 108. And how much we got them for? So 63, as you can see right there. And this one is size 10. So let's see how the competition is. Okay, 119 with shipping. The other one is 100 including plus shipping, and the other one is 124, and there is 20 result on this one, size 10. So how many is being sold? We got sold out is 8 people has been sold, and some of them has been sold for 85. That's too low. Oh, that one is pre-owned anyway, you can see. And the other one, which is still new, is 132, 109, 1 and 19. So 114. Let's see, go back, and how many is the comps. And one, let's say 119. If I want to sell one so if I wanted to sell it out for 119 and free shipping, my calculator says my profit will be $40.35. That is another more than 50% ROI, because we bought them for $60 and we going to sell them for 119 plus shipping. Then ROI will be more than 40%, 50%, which is $40. Got them for 63, and my profit will be my profit will be $40.35. So this would be a quick flip. So I'm not gonna wait out a little bit, because I know there's a lot of competition on this one. So I'm just gonna do the comps like now we have 119, and now I wanna sell it out quickly as possible. So with these two, what do you think on this one? Would you cap them for that price for personal pair or for reselling? So what do you think on this one? I like it. Would you like them? I hope you like it. Which is the best pickup of this two? Would love to hear your thought. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.